Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bookkeeping with FreshBooks categories and tags, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore bookkeeping with FreshBooks categories and tags, begin by logging into your FreshBooks account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions tab located on the left side menu. In the Transactions view, locate the filter options at the top of the page. Select the appropriate date range to focus on the transactions you want to restore. Next, review the list of transactions displayed. Identify the ones that need categorization or tagging. Click on each transaction to open its details. On the Transaction Details page, look for the Category drop-down menu. Select the correct category that corresponds to the transaction type. If you need to add tags, find the Tags section within the Transaction Details. Type in the relevant tags to categorize the transaction further. Make sure to separate multiple tags with commas. After you've assigned the category and tags, click on the Save button to apply the changes. Repeat these steps for any additional transactions that require restoration. Once all necessary transactions have been categorized and tagged, return to the Transactions overview. Use the filter options to verify that your bookkeeping records are accurate and up to date. This process will help you maintain organized financial records in FreshBooks. By restoring your bookkeeping with categories and tags, you can enhance reporting and analysis capabilities. Make sure to periodically review and update your categories and tags as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.